Hi children, good morning. Yesterday I taught summary, unit 5 at the vegetable shop summary. Okay, and meanings also I taught yesterday. Today I am explaining a reading grammar given in the reading comprehension in the page number 178. All of you open your English workbook page number 178 and see reading comprehension. What is given in the first? Match the following. What is given first? Match the following. See, in the match the following, in the first side A, in the first side A, what is given there? There are given the names of vegetables. On the second side B, there is given about the importance of the vegetables. See, first side, first one pumpkin, carrots, spinach, curry leaves, brinjal. Next, on the B side, praised by poets, give aroma to food, fat and round, give us a lot of iron content, can be eaten raw or cooked. First one pumpkin. How is pumpkin? Fat and round. So, how is the pumpkin? Fat and round. The correct answer you have to write in the middle, C. Next, second one carrots. Carrots can be eaten raw or cooked. We can eat carrot, eat raw or cooked. Uncooked also we can eat. That is the meaning of raw. Next, third one, spinach. What is spinach? Spinach give us a lot of iron content. Spinach is a leafy vegetable. If we eat more spinach, we get lot of iron. Next, fourth one, curry leaves. Curry leaves. What is curry leaves? They give good flavor. So, give aroma to food. Aroma means flavor. Curry leaves give aroma to food. Here answer B. Next, fifth one, brinjal. Brinjal praised by poets. Poets wrote many poems and songs related to brinjal. And brinjal is the queen of the vegetable. So, what is the correct answer for brinjal? A. Check your answers. C, E, D, B, A. Right. Now see children on the second page, that means page number 179. What is given there? B. Put the following sentence in the order of events. Here some events are given, happened in the lesson at the vegetable shop. You have to make them in the correct order. You have to arrange those sentences in the correct order. See first, I will read all the sentences one by one. What is the first one? Ramu says bye to the vegetable vendor. Second one, Ramu's mother asks Ramu to bring vegetables. Next, third one, the vendor gives the vegetables free of cost to Ramu. Fourth one, Ramu finds a purse among the pumpkins. Next, fifth one, the vendor offers a polythene bag to Ramu. Next, Ramu goes to a vegetable shop. Next one, seventh one, the vendor thanks Ramu. Eighth one, the vendor greets Ramu. These are the sentences given here. You have to arrange them in the correct order. So first what happened in the lesson? First one, Ramu's mother asks Ramu to bring vegetables. So second sentence is in the order first one, write number 1 there. Ramu's mother asks Ramu to bring vegetable. So in the second sentence place in the corner you have to write 1. Next, second one, Ramu goes to a vegetable shop. Ramu goes to a vegetable shop. Sixth sentence is the second one in the order. First, his mother asks him to bring vegetables. Later he goes to a vegetable shop. Sixth sentence, beside that you write 2. Next one, the vendor greets Ramu. When Ramu went to the shop, what did shopkeeper say? Shopkeeper say, why did you come alone? The vendor greets Ramu. Eighth sentence, that is the third one. The vendor greets Ramu. Next, fourth one, Ramu finds a purse among the pumpkins. What did Ramu find? Next sentence, Ramu find pumpkins among the among the pumpkins. Next sentence, the vendor thanks Ramu. Ramu asks him, when the vendor said that is mine, and he said thanks to Ramu. Next one, seventh sentence is fifth one. Next, what is the next one? The vendor gives the vegetable free of cost. So he was pleased with Ramu and give vegetables on the free of cost. The third sentence is sixth one, in the order sixth one. Next one, the vendor offers a polythene bag to Ramu. He wanted to buy half kg of vegetables. So what did the vendor said? Vendor offers a bag to Ramu. Yes, fifth sentence, it is the seventh one. The vendor offers a polythene bag to Ramu. Next, last one, after taking the vegetable, Ramu says bye to the vegetable vendor. This is the order. Okay, now the correct order I read. See, what is the correct order? Ramu's mother asks to bring vegetables. Ramu goes to a vegetable shop. The vendor greets Ramu. Ramu finds a purse among the pumpkins. The vendor thanks Ramu. The vendor gives the vegetable free of cost to Ramu. The vendor offers a polythene bag to Ramu. Ramu says bye to the vegetable vendor. Okay children, now see page number 181. Page number 181, vocabulary. A reading grammar, reading comprehension completed. Now vocabulary part C. Here, classify the vegetables given, refer to a dictionary for help. Here, some names of vegetables given. Okay children, actually the vegetables grown on different kinds of plants. Plants are different kinds. Very big trees, very big and tall plants are trees. Next one, herbs. Bushy plants are herbs. And next, bushy plants are shrubs. Next, small plants, seasonal plants are called as herbs. Next one, climbers and creepers. Climbers means which need support to grow. Next, creepers which crawl on the ground. So, there are different kinds of plants and these plants grow on different kinds of plants. These are the vegetables which grow on different kinds of plants. See here, snake gourd, beetroot, okra, capsicum, tomato, chili, potato, radish, carrot, onion, cucumber, pumpkin, bottle gourd, ridge gourd, brinjal. These are all the different kinds of vegetable. They are not grown on same kinds of plants. So, where do they grow? So, okay, vegetables that grow in the ground, on creepers, on small plants. See, I said just now, in the ground. In the ground means some plants at the root part, they grow on the root part. What are those? See, first one, beetroot, potato, radish, carrot, onion. These vegetables, they grow on the root part. Next, on the creepers means which crawl on the ground, which are heavy, like pumpkin, next watermelon, such kind of heavy vegetables or fruits, they grow on creepers. What is given here? Pumpkin, cucumber, snake gourd, bottle gourd and ridge gourd. These grow on creepers which grow on the which crawl on the ground. Next one, on small plants. Small plants means very small, not like very bushy or very big plants. What are those? Okra, capsicum, tomato, chili and brinjal. Okay children, these grow on different kinds of plants. These are the different kinds of vegetables. Right children. Next here, see children, now turn the page number 183. Here is a table given. Write as many sentences as you can from the substitution table given below. See here is a table. In this table, first one, in the first side, what is given? There some subjects given. What are these subjects? In the first part, there is subjects given. I, we, you, he, she, it. What are these all? These are all the pronouns. I, we, you, he, she, it. These are pronouns. And Ravi, his uncle, they, my friends. So mixing subjects, the names, nouns given and pronouns also given. Okay. In the second one, in the table, in the second part, what is given? Was or were. And wasn't, weren't. So making sentences in the positive and in the negative. Next, some other words also given. Like phrases, see, reading novels, playing kabaddi, singing a song, running a race, washing clothes, chatting with friends, cooking pulihora, watching a movie, doing homework, enjoying the holidays. For example, I explain 2 or 3. First one, I took subject I, join I and verb. See here, helping verb was. I was reading novels. Now say second one, subject plus verb plus object. Second one, we plus were. Because we is plural, so we have to add were. We were playing kabaddi. Third one, you is taken as singular and plural. So you plus were, you were singing a song. Next he, she, it, third person singular. So we have to write he after was, she after was, it after also was. In the same way, we can write negative sentence also. I wasn't reading novels. We weren't playing kabaddi. You weren't singing a song. So like that you have to make sentences, children. Try to write at least 5 sentences in these. Okay children, thank you.